everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a fall inspired nail look. So if you guys are interested in this fall inspired nail look, then definitely keep on watching, and also give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more nail related content. Alright you guys, so the first most important thing before applying gel nails is proper nail prep. So I'm going to go ahead and start with filing my nails. I'm just going to be using a regular nail file here. Okay, so here are my nails now all filed down. The next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to clean my cuticles. So to do that, I'm gonna be using the Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover. And I really like this because it really cleans up my cuticles and moistens them so that it's easier to remove them. I'm gonna be pushing those cuticles back a bit. Take this cuticle cleaner here and I'm going to clean up the cuticles like that. So you can see how much more cleaner those cuticles look. And I'm going to do the exact same to the other ones. Alright, so you can already see how much more cleaner my cuticles appear. So the next, what we're going to do is we're going to buff the nails. So I'm going to be using this regular buffer here. This is going to get rid of the shine from the nails and help with the application of the gel product. Now we're done with the prepping of the nails. Next, we're going to be taking these products here. These are by Modelones. I think that's how you pronounce it, but I'm going to dehydrate the nail. And if you don't have a nail dehydrator, you can use rubbing alcohol with a cotton swab and just dehydrate the nails like that. And then this nail primer, I think this is really important, but it's going to help with the adhering of the gel colors as well and for longer lasting application. I'm going to be using this brand here, and this is a peel-off base coat. So this is really good if you're doing nails very often and you want to just change your nail design and take them off. So usually this is good for something that you want it to last for about 2 weeks. But if you want to do a manicure that lasts a little bit longer, I would recommend using a regular base gel. So this is the one that I normally use, but you can use any other brand as well. This is also my first time trying out this brand, so hopefully it's good, but I got it off of Amazon, so we'll have to see. Okay, so we're gonna go in with this, and then we're going to cure the hand. So I'm wearing these gloves. I don't normally wear them because I find them kind of annoying. They go really close to my fingertips. So I had to fold this one because it was too close to the nail. So that's the only thing about these annoying gloves, but they're good just to protect you if you're always doing your nails often. And I actually I'm gonna zoom out for you guys, but I actually just recently got these colors. So these are all from Beetles, and this is like their full collection colors, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna try out some of these colors. So right, so the colors that I'm gonna be using, we're gonna be doing like a nice fall inspired look, so I'm gonna be using these shades here. I also got some gold chrome powder that we're gonna try as well, and the blooming gel. This is a really trendy design, so we're gonna try that out as well. All right, I'm gonna cure the hand now for 60 seconds. Do the second coat. And then I'm gonna be using this light nude base here, and I'm gonna be applying that on the remainder nails, so my index finger and my ring finger. Now we have our nails ready to go for the designs. So I'm going to be taking the blooming gel here. I'm using this dotting tool, a bigger size for the flower. The important thing with blooming gels, you want to make sure you cure it right away. So I'm going to cure it. Okay, but here's my little flower. For the middle finger, I decided to add a design there too. So I'm going to go ahead again with the blooming gel. This shade here. Okay, so there it is. It turned out pretty nice. Now I'm going to be using the matte top coat here, and this it's going to look like. I did the steps backwards, so let me show you guys. So what you're supposed to do first is, before you add the design with your top coat, you're gonna apply the matte top coat first. Make sure the nail is matte. Then you're gonna take your design, that's that shiny top coat, make the circle, cure it, and then we're gonna apply the chrome. The circle doesn't have to be perfect. There, this is what it's actually supposed to look like. So now for the really fun part, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and apply the chrome. All right, and there you go. There's the design. Super cute. And then this is really important. Make sure you apply your top coat, and that's it. Make sure we hydrate those cuticles. So I'm using my Essie cuticle oil here. Guys, and that is the look. It was really easy to do. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It actually turned out better than I thought.